Okay, now we're going to set the system up for welding AC output for welding aluminum materials. So we're in TIG mode, 2T. We have now this button selected for AC, the top one is lit up. We also have the HF button turned on for high frequency start. Now weld current set at 100 amps, but when we're now in AC mode, we have more things to play with. So let's go back to the pre-start condition. This is our pre-gas flow. Remember, we can adjust that. I'm going to keep it at 0.1 of a second. Our upslope time, we're going to keep it 0.1 of a second. Weld output mode, we keep it 100 amps. Again, we could be anything up to 200 amps if we're plugged into 230, or 140 amps if we're plugged into to 120. If we then look at downslope time, I've got set at 2 seconds, and gas crater mode I've got set at, in this case, 10 seconds, which we could dial back a little bit if we wanted to. Okay, next, when we're in AC mode, we have another couple of adjustments. So this is AC wave balance. A lot of people don't understand what this does. Basically, we're adjusting the percentage of our waveform positive cycle. So by adjusting this on a digital machine like this, we're changing what we can do with the welding performance. So the higher the positive in the arc, the better the gas cleaning action, but what happens is you put more heat in the torch and you get less penetration. So in this case, we can't go over 50%, but what we can do is go down. So this is controlling the positive cycle of the waveform. So the positive cycle here, we're turning down to as low as 15% cleaning action. So what that means is we're getting a lot more penetration and less cleaning action. But if we had clean aluminum, that's fine. We can be at 15 to 25%. So in this case, 25% is cleaning action, is the positive cycle, and 75% is penetration, the negative cycle, where we don't get cleaning action, but we get really good penetration. So that's the beauty of these advanced digital systems. We can change this wave balance like this to get more penetration. What that also does is allows us to run a sharper tungsten also. The combination of the AC wave balance also with AC frequency. So in the past, AC frequency wasn't adjustable. It was basically fixed by the output of your machine by your mains power. But we can actually dial up to 200, a frequency of up to 200, which really makes that arc hum. Or down as low as 50 cycles a second. So this is cycles per second in our AC output frequency, 50 to 200. So about 80 is a good starting point, and that'll give you a nice crisp arc together with a wave balance here set on AC of around 25 if you've got clean aluminum. That'll give you a nice sharp tungsten and a really nice arc characteristic here on this digital welding system.